During a snowstorm, highways, rural roads, airport runways, and even remote access roads can be rendered useless. Bulldozers, with their immense torque and traction, are uniquely capable of clearing paths where other snow removal equipment might falter. Unlike standard snowplows, bulldozers can handle deep drifts, hard-packed snow, and ice layers thanks to their heavy-duty steel blades and robust undercarriages. Their weight and power allow them to cut through snowbanks several feet high and push them aside with minimal resistance. Bulldozers can also be fitted with V-blades or angle blades specifically designed to move snow efficiently. Anatomy of a snow fighting machine.